So we're at our first roadblock. This big puddle. Oh, I don't think I can ride it. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this, actually. We are off. Welcome to the ride. We're leaving the area of Almodóvar del Río and we're riding across to a place called Zuheros, which is above National Park Subetica something, over near Iznaja. It's a long ride. It's not a long ride by road, of course, but the way we're going, it says it's about 6 hours. Wow! Whew! That was close. You know, when you feel like go for it, you always ride so much better than if you feel like edgy or nervous. And I feel edgy and nervous. I don't know why I've woken up groggy. I need to get a bit of mojo going and not drop the revs too low. But it was a fantastic 2 days. The first ride was absolutely fabulous. And then yesterday we rode to the castle, but that was a really cool experience. And today we've got another long ride. And then sadly, it's a really bad forecast for the next 2 days. So it doesn't look so good for riding tomorrow and the next day, although the next day we are going home, so we'll have to ride in it. We'll see. Bye bye, Alice. Anyway, beautiful view of the reservoir till next time we come. And I've got something in my boot rubbing me, so I'm going to have to stop. Oh, I want to stop. Did you see I nearly dropped the bike? Yeah? I nearly dropped the bike. Right. Really nearly. On the first right-hand turn at the bottom of the drive, yeah. I went really slowly and I let the revs drop too low. Yeah. and then it was literally, I'm going to drop it. And I was, I really had to fight to pull it up. Okay. Bye-bye, Almodóvar. So it's at the start of the tracks. My bag was not on properly.
Oh!
It slipped forward.
It's annoying, eh?
Yeah.
You've been over there.
What? I'm not in the right place.
You've been over there, but there was no road, no track.
Well,
Because I think this is new.
we could go to the end of this.
Yeah, probably. Maybe they're chasing because the solar pedals.
It will come out somewhere, won't it?
Yeah.
And if we have to then do a road stretch to get back.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Time to have fun! So we're at our first roadblock. This big puddle. I'm not sure. Oh, I don't think I can ride through it. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this, actually. Don't think I've ever been in this situation before. I think the easiest thing for me to do is just to ride up there. Vamos, vamos, vamos. No joke, today has just taken me so long to get into my stride. I'm getting there, but I'm not there yet. I don't know if you ever feel that. Let me know in the comments if you do or don't take a time sometimes to warm up and feel the vibe. Maybe with more experience it goes away, I don't know. But it is super fun. Just have to find it. Find it back again. Yep, we go. Rocky track. Keep going back, you can do it. Woohoo! Keep going, Sarai, you can do it. The bike can. It's me that needs the pep talk. Hey! We're trying to find a way out because we couldn't cross the puddle because we didn't know how deep it was and it looked very muddy. And he's trying to find a way to get back on track. Look at that. That's what we do it for. And over there is Almodóvar Castle. That's what I do it for, I should say. I don't know about you.
So let's go. Yeah, I think that's the place. There we go. There we go.
Harry, look! Oh, look!
Stop.
I've never seen one so close.
That's a
You
stop,
can,
eh?
you can go. Yeah, I think so. Oh, I love it. Woohoo! I love it. This is Cordoba. This is what Cordoba riding is like. Loads of open fields and millions of tracks. Not always passable. And I don't know if the mic is working because it wasn't working to switch on. The voice control wasn't working. I want to cross over, I think. The colour of the earth. It's crazy.